We've all been there. You're in a quiet room and a sneeze is coming. But wait, before you hold it in, here's what you need to know. Did you know that holding a sneeze can actually cause serious harm? From ruptured eardrums to broken blood vessels, your body goes under intense pressure. A sneeze can travel up to 100 miles per hour. Holding it in can force all that pressure back into your head. Ouch! What's the worst that can happen? Ruptured throat, brain aneurysms, and more. Next time, don't hold back. It's safer to sneeze than to stop it. Share this to save someone's health today.